In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Squarespace website as a PDF. Whether you want to save a page for offline use, share it with clients, or archive your design work, converting a Squarespace page to a PDF is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through two simple methods, one using your browser's built-in print feature and another using a handy Chrome extension. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to save any Squarespace page as a PDF efficiently. First, let's start with the easiest method, using your browser's built-in print feature. This is a quick and simple way to save a web page as a PDF without needing any additional tools. Begin by navigating to the Squarespace page you want to save. Make sure the page is fully loaded, including all images and content, so that everything you want in the PDF is visible. Once you've got the page ready, press Ctrl+P if you're using Windows or Command+P if you're on a Mac. This will open the print dialog box on your browser. Now, instead of selecting a connected printer, look for an option that says Save as PDF. Depending on your browser, this might appear in a drop-down menu or as a button. What this does is tell your browser to convert the visible web page into a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. Once you've selected Save as PDF, go ahead and click the Print button. Don't worry, nothing will actually print out. This step simply prepares the PDF for you. Now, a Save dialog will pop up, asking you to name your file and choose where you'd like to save it. Pick a name and location that makes it easy to find later, and click Save. After a few seconds, your PDF will be ready to use. And there you have it. Your first method is complete. It's simple, fast, and works right in your browser. But what if you need to capture an entire Squarespace page, including long scrolling sections that might not fit in the default print view? That's where our second method comes in. Next up, let's explore how to use the GoFullPage Chrome extension to save a Squarespace web page as a PDF. This method is especially useful if you need to capture the entire page from top to bottom, including any sections hidden below the fold. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into Google, or by going directly to the Chrome Web Store website. Once you're there, use the search box in the top left corner and type in GoFullPage. Look for the extension called Full Page Screen Capture. It should have a camera icon next to it. When you find it, click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation when prompted. This will add the extension to your browser. Once the extension is installed, navigate to the Squarespace page you want to save as a PDF. Just like before, make sure the page is fully loaded and all the content is visible. This is important because the extension will capture everything currently on the page. Next, locate the GoFullPage extension icon at the top right of your browser. It should look like a small camera. Click on it, and the extension will begin capturing the entire web page. This includes scrolling down to sections that might not be visible on your screen. Keep in mind, if the page has a lot of content or high-resolution images, the process might take a few seconds longer. Just be patient while it works. Once the capture is complete, a preview window will appear showing you the full page screenshot. From here, look for the option to export as a PDF. It's usually labeled Export as PDF and should be easy to find within the preview window. Click on it and the extension will prepare your PDF file for download. When prompted, save the file to your desired location, and just like that, your full-page PDF is ready. And there you go, two simple methods for saving a Squarespace web page as a PDF. The first method uses your browser's built-in print feature for quick and straightforward exports, while the second method with GoFullPage is ideal for capturing longer, scrolling pages. So now you know exactly how to save Squarespace pages as PDFs, whether you're using a browser feature or a Chrome extension. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.